Ang boto po kagabi, 18-5-0. Sa tingin nyo, yun din ba yung, may mga nagsasabi na baka yun na rin yung posisyon ng mga senador at maging boto pag umusad yung trial. Naniniwala po ba kayo ron?
It is very hard to preempt kung anong magiging decision ng mga senator judges until and unless we have concluded the presentation of our evidence. That is why we really have to follow the Constitution and the mandate by the Constitution to the impeachment court to try and to decide. No? Mahirap pong isipin o sabihin na yung boto kahapon, ayun na rin ang magiging boto sa impeachment case sapagkat wala pa po ni isang ebidensyang naiilatag ang prosecution. No? Until and unless we are done with the presentation of all the evidence, I think that's the time we begin to think ano kaya ang magiging boto ng ating mga senator judges.
Okay, one last point. May nakikita ho ba kayong victory with the numbers ng mga senators na umayon para i-remand yung articles of impeachment? 17 versus 5.
Sabi ko na po kanina, it will be improper to preempt the judgment of the senators and senator judges until and unless we have concluded the presentation of our evidence. We are confident. We have strong 7 articles of impeachment supported by ample and convincing evidence.
Thank you po.
May we get lang din po yung reaction ng House Prosec doon po sa ilang senator judge na tumangging magsuot ng robe last night. Confident or kumpiyansa pa rin po ba yung House Prosec na magiging impartial yung Senate Impeachment Court dahil po dun sa hindi pagsuot ng ibang senator judge?
Chairman Ako, would you like to answer? Be gentle.
Pakiulit nga po yung katanungan
Reaction,
para mayroon akong pagkakataon na mag-isip.
may reaction lang po doon kasi some senator judges refused to wear yung robes po during the convening ng impeachment court. So, ano po bang basa doon ng House Prosecution and kumpiyansa rin po ba ang panel na magiging impartial po ang Senate Impeachment Court?
I do not know the reason why some of the senator judges refuse to wear their robes. Di po ba? So that's a matter of discipline within the Senate or within the impeachment court. Bahala na po yung presiding judge na magdisiplina sa kanila. Number 2, kung kumpiyansa po kami na, ano po?
Na magiging impartial nga po given na nag-refuse na magsuot ng robe yung ibang senator judge.
Hindi naman po kayo magtatanong sa amin kung wala po kayong conclusion, di po ba? Your conclusion is as good as mine. Diba?
And speaking of pagdidisiplina nga po ng presiding judge, satisfied naman po ba kayo doon sa naging pag-handle po ng presiding judge last night?
Tinatanong mo ako ngayon kung satisfied ako sa pag-handle.
House Prosec panel.
Well, to tell you frankly, from my experiences, kasi siguro dito sa linyang ito, akong pinakamatanda eh. If you ask me, my personal opinion, hindi po ako satisfied. That I think would be enough to answer the question that you have asked of me.
Last na lang po on my end, other than Kong Keith po ba, may nagsishare din po ng same sentiment na merong clear intent to kill or delay the impeachment? Or si Kong Keith lang po out of the 11 prosecutors?
I'm sorry?
Kung may nagsishare, sa House Prosec panel po, kung may nagsishare lang din po ng same thought or view po with Kong Keith na there is a clear intent na i-delay or patayin yung impeachment.
Ako? Ako? Are you asking?
The Prosec panel po, if meron po
My
pong...
personal opinion? Yes. I said
First-
personal opinion, yes.
Yes.
From my experiences. Kasi I've been with government since 1970. Di ba? Now, kanina tinanong ninyo kung magkakaroon ba ng pag-asa kami dahil 17.5. Kami may pag-asa. You know why? During the ERAP impeachment trial, they had the numbers. Pero bakit nagbaliktad? Kasi nakita na yung ebidensya as the gentle lady from Batangas said, wala pang naiprepresenta na ebidensya. Siguro pag nakita na ng mga tao at saka yung mga senator judges yung mga pieces of evidence, baka magbago po ang isip nila. So, yun po yung ibig sabihin ng sinabi ni Congressman Jinky. I think that's my take. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you po.
Risha Subing from Inquirer for today's last question.
Sorry po. Kong Jinky, sorry po, follow up lang po. Yung motion po na pinaprepare niyo po, that is for the plenary or for the impeachment court po?
That is for the impeachment court.
That is for the impeachment. So, hindi po siya i-file today?
We wish to file it today.
Okay. And then my last question po. Kanina po, it seems na your individual stances is that unconstitutional nga po yung ginawa ng Senate ng pag-remand ng articles of impeachment sa House. And yet, you're also signaling na you're willing to comply with the Senate, the stipulations of the order of the Senate. Hindi po ba siya two conflicting positions? I mean, if you give in to the Senate and we assume that it is unconstitutional, then essentially being complicit also in that unconstitutional move.
Let me restate my position with accuracy. No? I said we will be seeking for clarification first. And that's why we will be asking for... We opted to defer receiving the orders as soon as we are clarified about the issues surrounding the order of the Senate last night. For as long as they are within the bounds of the law, the prosecution panel will comply.
So these are not two conflicting positions for you, ma'am?
I believe so.